Automotive Headlight, top 10 automotive headlight under $20.
Is an affordable and reliable choice for automotive lighting needs. With a focus on durability and performance, these headlights offer exceptional value for under $20. Designed for a range of vehicles including RVs, Jeeps, trucks, tractors, and trailers, the headlights are versatile and cater to a broad audience. One of the standout features of the Headlight 2 PCS 4 inches headlight is its waterproof design, which ensures functionality even in challenging weather conditions. This not only enhances the longevity of the product, but also provides peace of mind to users who rely on consistent performance from their automotive lights.
The Philips H6054 CVC-1 Crystal Vision Ultra Upgrade Xenon Look Halogen Headlight offers a compelling solution for drivers seeking improved visibility and style. As a leading product from Philips Automotive Lighting, this headlight boasts a distinct white color that enhances the overall appearance of the vehicle while providing superior illumination on the road. With a focus on the right auto part position, this halogen headlight is designed to seamlessly integrate with the vehicle's existing setup, ensuring a hassle-free installation process.
The Hella H11 2.0 terabytes. Twin Blister Kit high-performance bulb is a top-notch product designed to meet the high standards of automotive enthusiasts. With its 12-volt power supply and 55W output, this bulb delivers exceptional brightness and clarity, making it a must-have for drivers seeking superior visibility on the road. One of the standout features of this product is its high-performance capabilities. The blue and black color scheme not only adds a touch of style to the vehicle, but also ensures that it stands out against traditional bulbs. This enhanced visibility contributes to overall safety, especially in low-light conditions or adverse weather.
The Headlight LED Pods 2PC 4-inch triple-row LED light bar 60W flood spot. Combo 6000 LM Super Bright Off-Road offers a reliable lighting solution for various vehicles, particularly cars and boats. With its 60 watts of power, this light bar delivers exceptional brightness, making it suitable for off-road adventures and low-visibility conditions. The triple-row design provides a wide flood beam as well as a focused spot beam, catering to different lighting needs.